Do you suffer from overthinking? You don't have to feel awkward because almost every adult suffers from overthinking. So suffering from overthinking is not bad, but how do you deal with it? Because overthinking shuts your creativity. It comes between your connect. You're unable to participate and play in life. So that's where it's very important. It needs to be measured and we need to do something. I'm sharing with you 8 insights how to balance your overthinking. Look, overthinking you really can't completely change, but you can balance it. Have a crystal clear understanding of life, work, and relationships. It's very important as you are growing, as you are maturing. What's your understanding of life? Why you are born? What is your contribution? What are different dimensions of life? What are different dimensions of work? Why are you working? How work can become your passion? How your work is adding value to other life? What is your understanding of relationships? How you can add value in your relationship? So the more clear, crystal understanding you have about life, work, relationships, you automatically get into actions which are to improve your quality of life, improve your quality of work, improve your quality of relationship. And you are now moving away from overthinking. Accept your immediate concerns and aspirations. 2 big reasons for overthinking are these continuous concerns which is going on in your mind, and you're living life in your mind and you're not doing anything. Accepting your concern is a starting step to balance your overthinking. Write it down, accept it. Yes, this is a concern. And then figure out how you're going to solve it. Also important is to know your aspirations. What are your aspirations? I meet so many people and I'm so happy. A lot of them are now so clear about their aspirations, what they want to do, how they see the world. So the more clear you are about your concerns and your aspiration, overthinking come down because you are now getting into action. Now, once you are clear about your concerns and your aspiration, create an environment for growth. I met a friend this morning and he was talking about, Amit, for anything, environment is important. You have to create that environment for growth. You have to be surrounded by those people who can propel this growth for you. So create that environment, whether it is books, people. Daily work on concern and aspiration is very important. We get 24 hours, it's plenty of time. Work on your concern, work on your aspiration. Everyday work. Imagine 365 days, imagine 10 years, where would you be? So keep working every single day. A lot of time we underestimate the power of single day. A lot of time we underestimate the power of 1 full year of working. Start taking daily action. Practice meditation to clear your mind. There are diverse meditations which are available. You got to choose which is working best for you. Meditation clears your mind in the morning itself so that you're far more composed, calm, and you're able to use yourself and apply yourself onto action rather than wasting your aliveness in overthinking. You can practice reflection to pick insight. Reflection is a very powerful technique. As an observer, you observe yourself, your actions, your moments, your conversations, and you pick insight. This gives you a lot of ideas of how you can get better. And when you get into this growth form, when you get into this whole growing mindset, you get better and your thinking comes down, you become more action oriented. Celebrate small wins for motivation. What will motivate you for action? What will help you in reducing your thinking is seeing those small wins. Celebrate. You're working so hard every single day. See what positives happen. See all the work which you have planned, what all you delivered. What did you achieve? What did you accomplish? What did you contribute? What did you receive? And celebrate these wins. Write it down. Wherever you observe, you get aware, this is a win. Write it down. And the last insight, daily exercise to activate each atom of your body. Almost all achievers invest time on themselves every day morning. They activate, when your cells get activated, they also, get more receptive. You fill yourself with energy as you exercise. You feel alive, and your thinking also comes down. So overthinking is not bad, but we got to regulate it, because if we keep thinking, we are standing at the same place. But we got to grow. World is giving you an opportunity to grow, show your mastery. So use this time, use this opportunity to keep growing. Stop thinking, start taking action.